Hi, welcome to A1 Auto. This is 2008 Honda CRV. I'm going to replace today a AC condenser fan. There's a two fan under the hood, one for radiator and one for the AC condenser. Basically, it's work for both. So let me show you that. One in here. This is the passenger side. This is not working. The other one is working. So I'm going to replace this. So to open that fan, I need to open this cover. Just simple. There's all the clip like this. Just take the clip out. So this is the fan right here. Very simple. There's one bolt right here, one bolt right there. Just take the two bolt out. So these are 10mm bolt. Take the bolt out. There's a connector right here. See this? Just push the tab and pull it. It will come easily like this. I'm gonna take this two 10mm bolts for the condenser, and one in here, one in there. I'm gonna take this out. So for the radiator, this bolt, 1, 2, I think 3 right here, and other side as well, 1, 2, and 3. I'm gonna take this off so I can move this whole radiator right there. I have a lot of space to take this fan off. When you take this bowl out, it will be very rusty, so put some lubricant, something as well in here. See that? Right here. Put some lubricant also. So white little bit, and here as well. Take all this bowl out. See that when you take all this off from here, from there, you can move this radiator. See, and right there you can like little by little pull this out. Be careful, there's a harness. So there, little by little, just take this off. It's coming. I'm gonna pull this out little by little. One hand pull the radiator, and the other hand little by little. Take the fan off. It's off. See? Just a new one. Just little by little. Way you take it off, just put it in. That's all. This is a perfect match. The new one and old one. See, there's two holes right there. One hole here, and one right there. The other side. You'll see two. See this one, and same on the other side. Right there, one. Two of them. One here, one there. So this one is go to the hole like this. Make sure it's inside the hole. The hole. The new fan. It will go little by little. Just push in here, and little by little push this fan. Make sure it's touching right here. So you have to be aware of this. Don't break anything. So pull this radiator like this, and it will go easily inside. See there? Inside. And make sure it's went inside the hole. All the bottom it is. I check already from the bottom. So just put the connector back. Connector, simply push it back like this. You will make sure it's click, and tie two bolts from here, from there, and put all of these things back. That's all, guys. Thank you for watching.
If you like the video, please like and subscribe.